So this is the typography 3D text we'll be creating today in Canva. So to get started in creating our typography 3D text in Canva, first you go to this left section and you scroll down. We're going to be using this application here, Typecraft, this one on the left as you can see here. But if you cannot see it here and you want to add it, it's because I've been using it, that's why it is here. But if you cannot see it here, you scroll up and you come up to where it says apps. You click on it. Then you come here and you search Typecraft. When you search now like this, it's going to come like this, and then you click on it. And when you click on it, it will be added down here as you have seen. Then in this section, here is where we'll be adding our text. You scroll down, you change the font, change it to this font. After changing the font, you scroll down and you change the text color to white. You scroll down again. In this section now, to arrange it properly, I'll advise you to zoom in. And to zoom in, you hold your control key and you scroll upward. Zoom in nicely like that, and then you can arrange the text now the way you want it. Then you come down now and you click on add element to design. Make sure you arrange everything like that as I've shown you before you come and click on this button. On elements, we are going to add in a rectangle, or you can just click arrow on your keyboard to bring up a rectangle. Cover the text. Change the color to a nice gray color. Make sure you remember this color because I'm going to be using it again. So watch closely. You right click and you send it to back. Then now we're going to download it as a PNG, transparent background. Come to download, choose transparent background, you download. And now to do a major change, like I always say, a good tip, always add in a new page. So we come now to your download section and we upload what we just downloaded. Then you come and you remove the background. So all the white will be removed. Now to really see what you are doing, it's good to change the background color of this page to a different color. Then we'll come now to this element section again and we'll search our island. Then now you add in your island and you send it to back. Then now you are going to crop it very nicely. Like this. Then you change now this background color back to this gray color that we used earlier. This is it here. Now, if you can zoom in, you notice that you're having some white edges here. That's not good. To remove that, then you just crop it nicely like that to remove that white outline that is there. Now it is okay. As you can see, it is okay. So now you click on it and you download it now again as a PNG. You add a new page. You bring in your downloaded image. You remove the background. You change this other color of the page to a different color. You increase the size. So now after cropping, you click on the image and you duplicate it. You remove it like that. You click on this other one that's on the center. You come to edit. You come to adjust and you reduce the brightness. Now you are going to click on it. You position it in the middle. You click and you duplicate it. You bring it to the original position. When it's on the original position like this, you click once here. Then on your arrow key, on your keyboard, you take on this arrow, the up arrow. You click on it once. Then you are going to duplicate now many times. Something like that, somewhere like that is okay. Then now you bring in this your other text. You right click and you bring it in front. Then you click on it and you go to edit, adjust, I want to increase the temperature. Here is the tree. You drag it and you add it. You reduce the size like this, you duplicate it. Then when it's ready now, you are going to download it again as a transparent background. Then you add a new page as I've just done here now. You come to your download and then you click on it now and then you duplicate it. Then you position it nicely like that. Then now we want to click that one now that is underneath. And in some cases you might not be able to click it. You only be able to click this one that is up. To be able to click the one that is down, you right click, you come where it says layer, you come to show layer. And when you come to show layer now, you'll be able to click the one that is down. Then you come where it says transparency. You reduce the transparency a little bit like that. Please, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure you like, comment and you subscribe. After reducing it like that, then there you go. That is your typography design in Canva.